Hi, I'm Aidan Quigley from AQ.ie and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about tech, web design and branding. In today's video, we're going to take a look at 5 of the websites that I draw inspiration from in 2021. Don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you hit the bell button to turn on post notifications. Let's go! So first up, we have Letter.co, a banking website for high net worth individuals. The very first thing you see when you interact with the website is this gorgeous art direction with the card crystallized in this geometric diamond that breaks down to reveal the card. I think this is absolutely stunning and really well executed. Then you have the video on the right hand side, which is minimal but incredibly slick. I love what they've done with it. I also love the typography they've selected for their headings. It's a serif typeface called Albra, which has a nice sophistication to it. And the blue and purple gradients as well for the text highlighting the product features is a nice touch. It's really just beautiful all around. As you go down to the next section cycles between 3 videos. For some reason they're not playing right now because I'm recording the screen, but these are pretty slick as well. Beneath you have a 6-point feature call out with the card and the diamond again, and it rotates as you scroll, which is cool. For the fees section, they keep it kind of simple with the gradient kind of moves from left to right, so I quite like that. Then for the extra benefits of using Letter, there's another cool repeating video using multiple cards rotating in concentric circles. And again, at the charity section, there's just a really clever use of scroll interaction animations with this circle. It's something that's so simple, but so fun to play around with. I really love it. And at the end, there's a little credit card hover interaction. That's pretty much it. Second website is from Sofia Papadopoulou. It's a portfolio website and designed by her, developed by Yanis Yanakopoulos. The website is pretty slick too. It even comes with a serene, ethereal sound effect that elevates the experience. I'm not going to play it now, but definitely go check it out. The link is in the description. You'll see on the left there's large typography, and then there are some nice text load animations which are subtle. You have a spotlight effect that follows the mouse, and the photo is kind of amorphous and flowing and kind of has this otherworldly double exposure effect, which I believe is the inspiration for this website. Then as well, you have the undulating graphic in the background, which paired with the music is quite calming. You've got a nice circular rotating text CTA, and then the portfolio pieces have some nice reveal interactions here, showcasing some of the different projects she's worked on, like her previous portfolio, and an earlier version of the Flux Academy website, which, side note, is actually where I learned Webflow and Rand's web design process. And then it goes into some of the awards that she's received, a lot of awards there, and some of the public speaking events that she has spoken at in the past. And then underneath it, it switches from dark to light. It makes the whole website feel a lot brighter. I really like the background graphic there as well. And of course, links to her social media to see more of her work. Third on the list is Nanna Lagerman, a creative studio. I'm just going to refresh the page because it has a nice load animation. There you go. What I like about this one is the minimal feel, the large sans serif typography paired with the beautiful photography of the studio design spaces. It gives a really strong sense of what Studio Nanna Lagerman do and their design sensibilities. I quite like the way the text drops in as well. That's a nice animation. They're also making use of the grid on this page to help with their layout choices, and I quite like the finished result. The interactions are simple but effective. Sometimes less is more. I like it. The fourth website to draw web design inspiration from is Waalders' website. What I love about this is the little loading animation that gets triggered. The cursor drags in a 3D laptop and 3D headphones from off screen, and I love this. You've also got some nice animations for the navigation bar on the left and a scroll down arrow in the bottom right, which bounces to alert users they should scroll down. So Rick creates these 3D graphics, which are everywhere in web design nowadays. For his portfolio, he just has the graphics displayed prominently, but when you scroll down, there's an inertia scrolling effect that makes the images move quicker on the left than the right, which subtly adds to the immersion in the website. There are some great examples of the 3D design work he has done here too. It all looks just great. So that was Rick Waalders. The fifth and final website is a portfolio website for the French art director Sonia Presne. What I love about this is the rippling, dreamlike effect applied to the photos when they're static, and then as you scroll, you can see the letters of Sonia's name create a distortion in the images when they move beneath them. It's quite a cool effect. There's also a subtle light grey pattern on the background that I'm not sure you can see on YouTube, but it's reminiscent of a fingerprint or the lines on a map that indicate altitude. And if you click into one of the projects, there's a nice animation between the pages. Then when you scroll down, you have some of the awards and accolades appear before you get to the main content, which for this project is a music video, which you can play. Beneath the video, you also have GIFs that give a good feel of the video so that those who don't want to play the music video can still get a sense of what Sonia does. Then when you reach the bottom of the project, it seamlessly brings you back to the homepage, to the project slider view, so you can explore more of her work. This is a really elegant solution, and again, I love it. Great work.
So those are 5 of the websites that I am inspired by in 2021. What do you think of them? Do you like what they've done? Maybe you have other websites that you draw inspiration from. Let me know in the comments below. That's it for now. Peace.